Good morning, guys. So this is typically like a fun video with me and Mariah, but today is going to be a little bit different. Mariah is supposed to be coming home today, but they're going to be getting resituated back at home, and they haven't been home in a month, so we're not going to film today. So I figured I would take you guys with me while we do our farming. Definitely not like beauty or DIYs or anything like that, but it's part of my life, so we're going to try a little vlog style thing. It's kind of fun to take you guys along with us just so that you can see what we do. First up, we are headed to the feed store to get some feed, and then we're going to go check on our little goat farm. First, breakfast of champions. If I can get it open. These things are kind of hard to get open. Have you noticed? You're not going to speak to me while I'm filming? He's the strong and silent type. Okay guys, we'll see you when we get to the feed store. Getting straw now, so that we can dig our potatoes and put that in between our potatoes.
Thank you. Be careful, buddy. Drop your dinner.
Alright, so we are at the other place now, and we're gonna go check on the animals. What are you doing? What are you doing? So, what are you doing, So? Here's a good boy. There's Miss Luna. Luna. So you're so nosy. You think there's babies in there?
What do you think?
You gonna have babies, Luna? Puppy love. Look at you guys all patiently waiting. What? What are you doing? What are you doing, little buddy? You guys are too funny. Hi. What are you doing? You don't want grain? He's embarrassed to be on the camera. Hi. Hi, little fella. I guess you're a her, not a him, huh? What are you doing? Are you a shy lady? Huh? You don't want to be on the camera? Hey. Hi. Time to feed the ducks. The pond is like super low. We definitely need some rain. Look at the ducks though, they're so cute. I love watching the ducks eat. It's one of my favorite things. They're gonna run from me. I got too close. Oh, there we go. Look how pretty. So this one right here is my favorite. He has a green beak, pastel green beak, and I love it. I love that it's different. Back up the hill. It's a little treacherous. We have like a little duck house over here. We made it last year. See it in the background there? That's just a chair tipped over. Kids. It was the cutest little duck house when we first made it, and like the sun bleached it out, and now it's not cute anymore. And we tried to make it float, and that failed. So now it's just kind of sitting on the side, but not as cute as it was when it started. It happens, I guess. Jojo will take a picture with me. Jojo was a bottle baby, so she's probably one of like the most friendly, personable goats that we have. Hi Hi, Jojo. What you doing, Jojo? Hi, girl. Hi. You gonna give me kisses? Oh no. Say hi. Say hi, Jojo. Say hi, Jojo. Oh, look at the babies. Down here, and there is some fence down. And so we are gonna fix that up real fast so that the cows don't get out. And by we, I mean he. I was kind of joking about the not helping thing. This is kind of a little job, but typically when we do fence, I help. But he can handle this one. So I'm gonna film him. All fixed up.
Is it turned?
Yeah, but I don't see it getting, like I don't see any distance. Or maybe it did there. So behind the scenes here, we watched a video on how to fix timing, right?
Yes.
Points on the tractor. So we're trying to do that, or he is. Do you want light? I could probably help with that. Here's the cows, waiting for food. There's Little John, and on the other side, Big Jim. And they're gonna fight over which side they get to eat out of. I think we know who the boss is. Alright guys, so you have pretty much seen a typical day in my life, at least on the weekends today. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!